Zeno Smart Setup. Getting started and connection guide. First time setup. Registering your administrator. Enter setup mode. Double click hash to enter setup mode. Enter default password. Enter default password 123456. Then press hash to confirm. Adding an admin. Now you hear the system announce your options. Press 1 to access manage user. Settings. Then select 1, add user. Press 1 again to add administrator. Register your fingerprint. Press 2 to add others. Now register your fingerprint at the place shown in the picture. Create your administrator password. Create 6 to 8 digit administrator password and press hash to confirm. Register IC card. Register IC card or press asterisk to skip. Registration complete. Perfect. Now you're the master administrator with ID number 01. Accessing the main menu. Alright, now that you registered as administrator, let me show you how to access the main control menu. This is where you'll do everything. Add user, delete users, change settings, connect to Wi-Fi, all of it. Adding users. How to add a user? After accessing the Add User menu again, select option 2, Add Guests. Repeat the same process as registering the admin to register a user. Deleting users. How to delete a user? After accessing the main menu again, select option 2 for Delete User. Choose which user you want to delete via the system immediately process it. ID deletion successful. Device network connection. Now let's get this log connected to your phone, because this is where things get really powerful. Remote unlocking, activity logs, push notification, the whole smart home experience. Step 1. Getting into the app. Download the Zeone app and log into the app. Add the log. Enter the details asked on the screen and submit. Choose the log from the given list. Choose the connection method and continue. Once submitted, the app will start searching for the log pairing. Step 2. Prepare the log. From the main menu, select option 3, Device Network Connection. The system has two connection methods, hotspot connection, intelligent connection. Congratulations, you're connected.